Let's see how we can use synthetic division to factorize a polynomial and to confirm if a given factor or uh, a given value is indeed a solution to a particular polynomial. So see over here, this question is asking us to see if this x is equal to 2 is indeed a solution of this cubic equation. So this x is equal to 2 can be written down as x minus 2 is equal to 0. So basically what we need to prove is that this x minus 2 is a factor of this cubic equation. So basically this x minus 2 will be multiplied with a certain quadratic expression. So let's see. We need to confirm. So we have two things. We need to confirm if this x is a solution, this x is equal to 2 is a solution of this polynomial, and we'll use the result of the synthetic division that we're performing to see the to find out the quadratic factor that will be multiplied with this linear factor. So how we'll do this? You see, we have this value of x given. So you'll write that down over here. Now, you see these numbers, these four numbers, they're the coefficients of the terms in the cubic equation. And as you can see, the coefficient of x cubed is 1, this one here. And there is no x squared term over here. So the coefficient of x squared will be 0. The coefficient of x is minus 7, and the last constant is 6. So what you'll do is you'll write down this 1 as it is down over here. Now you'll multiply this 2 with this 1, and then you'll put the result down under the next number, which is 0. So you'll write down 2 under 0, and now you'll add this 0 and 2. That will give you this 2 over here. Now you'll multiply this 2 again with this 2, and now you write down the result under the next number, which is minus 7. So 2 into 2 is 4. You'll write that down over here, and now you'll add minus 7 and 4. That gives you this minus 3. Now again, you'll continue to do this again and again, as many times as you have to, until you reach the last constant. So you'll multiply this 2 with this minus 3. That'll give you minus 6. You'll write down minus 6 under the last value over here. So 6 plus minus 6, which is basically 6 minus 6, that will give you 0. And that is the last value that you'll receive is the remainder. If the remainder is equal to 0, that means that this basically the solution that we've been given is indeed a solution of this polynomial. So since the remainder is 0, that means that x is equal to 2 is indeed a solution of x cubed minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0. So what that really means is, so x is equal to 2 is a solution of this. And it also means that x minus 2 is a factor of p of x. But you're wondering how will we find the quadratic expression that x minus 2 is being multiplied with to give you this cubic equation? Well, you see these three values, this 1, this 2, and this minus 3. Well, these are the coefficients of the quadratic expression that x minus 2 is being multiplied with. So 1, the coefficient of x squared, 2, the coefficient of x, and minus 3, the last constant. So you have this as the second factor of this cubic equation. And upon further factorization, you can clearly see it gives you 2 more factors. So you can see what this means is this cubic expression over here, x cubed minus 7x plus 6 given in the question, can be factorized down into these 3 linear expressions. And that's it. This is how you do synthetic division.